Good morning. I start a new series about haplogenetic and the Bible. Will be about my own theory about the multiple Adam. What I mean by that? Sorry, a technical problem. So the Adam of the Bible probably originated somewhere in Asia, so somewhere near Russia, China, India, somewhere over there. And that's the Adam of the Bible. The haplogroup A and B that originated in Africa, they are much, much older than this, but that doesn't mean that they are the ancestor. So just because you are older doesn't mean you are the father or the ancestor of someone else. As a matter of fact, so the Bible says that everybody comes from a single sapiens called Adam. But haplogenetic apparently seems to be a controversy with this. Why? Because, but why I say apparently? Because it's possible the way to explain, to have an explanation that fit both the haplogenetic scientific data and the Bible is the multi-Adam theory. Why I'm saying this? Because look, when two persons have a totally different shape of the cranium, look, the shape of the cranium is something probably means there are two different species. So two persons can have a totally different eye cut, the eye shape, the color of the skin totally different, even the bone structure, totally different, and still can be from the same species, which is, let's say, for instance, the sapiens sapiens. But if two persons have totally different cranium shape, look, that almost implies that those two people are from different species. Being from different species doesn't mean that they are not compatible. So it's possible, sometimes it's possible the interbreeding, sometimes it's not. We can talk about this for hours. So my own theory is that the Adam of the Bible originated in Asia, somewhere around between China, Iran, India, somewhere over there. So not exactly Middle East, but more over there. And the haplogroup A, haplogroup B, they originate in Africa, which are totally different. They are not the ancestor of the Adam of the Bible. So one interesting thing about this that is not scientific, but it's just an argument. Look, you know the flag of China. Look, the Chinese flag has a 5-star. One is very big and 4 small around. The meaning, this is a very ancient tradition of China. In fact, that's why the communists want to get rid of everything. But this is very important. The meaning of the flag is that all those people... So this is very interesting theory. They had support, that strong support, perhaps not in the Bible, but with the haplogenetic, but does not go in contrast with what the Bible says. And who could be these 5 different human species? Look, the Negroid of haplogroup B and the Pygmy of haplogroup B, these are 2 separate, because the Negroid of haplogroup B, they are 6 feet tall, very slim, good-looking guy, let's say. The Pygmy or haplogroup B are barely 4 feet tall. They have a strong feature. They have a totally different cranium shape, totally different bone structure. So these are 2 different. Then the Adam of the Bible is a 3rd. And then I don't know if Chinese they want them included or not in this Adam of the Bible or not. And who could be the other Adam? Look, who could be the other because the Chinese flag say 5. Look, the Aboriginal from Australia, some of them belong to the haplogroup C4, which is a sapiens sapiens, so it's supposed to be from Adam. But others are even older, and they are from a group that nobody can find any trace of. So it's totally different and probably could be totally separated. The Aboriginal Australian, not the C4 haplogroup, which is a sapiens sapiens, but the one before them, which are not even classified as a sapiens sapiens. This could be one of the 5. The other 2 are haplogroup A and B, the Negroid of haplogroup A and the Pygmy of haplogroup B, and another one could be the Adam of the Bible. Hey, about the other one, look, because I can have some guesses about, but could be the Homo habilis, but look, this is just a theory. But I would consider as very interesting the meaning of the Chinese flag, because it could be a potential explanation that combine, don't put any contrast between the genetic scientific 4 or 5 different Adam, so somewhere over there. Okay, sorry, I have to close the video because I have a technical problem. But keep in mind this is my own theory of multiple Adam, and because different cranial shape could imply different species. And the meaning of the Chinese flag can be true, and is a way to combine the genetic data with the Bible explanation. Okay, let's do that. See you the next video. The next video is specific about the Adam of the Bible. Ciao.